Hey everyone, welcome to my review of the Minipresso NS2 by Wacaco. Inside this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shot of espresso with the Minipresso NS2, and I'm going to give you my thoughts as to why I love this little manual and portable espresso machine. The compartments on this thing are actually pretty cool. On the top here, everything actually stores inside of itself. You have the brush right here, and then you also have a small drip tray inside, and I like how everything just stuffs inside that top compartment. And on the bottom here, we have the included cup, and we're actually going to be brewing an espresso shot right into that cup right there. And then, of course, if you unscrew this piece, this is where your capsule is going to be placed. And for this video, we're going to be brewing a caramel creme brulee inside of this Minipresso. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's brew this shot of espresso. First things first is we just take our capsule and we screw it into the bottom of the machine, just like so. Now that we have our capsule inserted, it is time to take our hot water and fill it up to the top of the compartment here. So right there is about good. Then we take the lid and we screw it on top. And now for the fun part, let's go ahead and make our shot of espresso. What we have to do is just twist this dial. That will open up the manual pump that looks like this. And then we just start pumping just like so. And after about 6 or 7 pumps, the espresso shot will start coming out of the Minipresso. And as you can see, we're already getting a lot of crema on top of our espresso shot. And we're just gonna continue to squeeze until all the water is out of the reservoir. Once you're done, you'll notice that you can squeeze the pump and nothing will come out. And all you have to do now is just set the machine on the drip tray, just like so. And now we are done making our espresso shot. As you can see, it looks so delicious. Honestly, for me, this is my favorite way to make espresso while I'm camping. All I need is just heat up some water, pour it into the Minipresso NS2, and just have a capsule on hand, and I get this delicious shot of espresso. It makes a great travel companion, especially for people who love coffee like my wife and I. So overall, I do recommend the Minipresso NS2. Everything functions flawlessly. The pump is easy to use. You just add water, you put a capsule in, and you get delicious espresso. Thank you so much for watching my video review, and I hope that you have enjoyed it.